Did you know that dandelion root has great benefits for not just the body but also the skin? Well, today we're going to talk all about dandelion root. Hello there, you guys. Your girl Euniycemari here, your skin therapist, and today we're going to be talking about one of my favorite roots. I always talk about on this channel how, skin is not just what you are placing on the outside of your body, but also what are you consuming, what are you intaking that support the system to have the best looking skin. Okay, so we're going to talk about dandelion root. It is one of my many herbs and roots that is in my collection that I use to not only contribute to my health on the inside but also the health on the outside. So before we get into anything, we're going to talk about what dandelion root is. Okay, what all does dandelion root do for the body? Number one is a diuretic. So dandelion root is really known for removing excessive water weight in the body. It also removes toxins for the body. It is an antioxidant, and it also supports the immune system. Now, dandelion root comes in pill form, or capsules like the one I have here, and dandelion root also comes in tea form as well. You can also get dandelion root itself and boil it and make your own type of concoction. That is also an option. Now let's talk about the benefits of dandelion root when it comes to the skin. Dandelion root is anti-inflammatory, which makes it perfect for rosacea, eczema, and acne. It helps to calm those inflamed skin conditions. Number two, it is an antioxidant, so it protects the skin from pollution and UV rays. 3, dandelion root is very hydrating for the skin. 4, it is antibacterial and it is antifungal, which is also great for what? Things like acne. That was 4 and 5. Okay, number 6, it is wound healing, and I think that goes hand in hand with 4 and 5, because antibacterial, antifungal, if it's that, then usually your wounds and things like that are going to heal a lot faster, which is also great for what? Cuts, acne, things of that sort. It is also known to brighten the skin. And one of my favorites is that is an oil regulator. So somebody like me, you guys can already see we shining over here. We shining, right? Reducing excessive oil production of the skin. So dandelion root has many great benefits from the inside out. Also, I want to show you guys what these look like. So these are the dandelion root herbal capsules that I take. They do suggest you take 3 of these with water or whatnot. I only take 2 because I feel like with dandelion root too, you got to be a little careful on how you are taking them because you don't want to take too many. Keep in mind they are a diuretic. Okay, so I don't suggest taking these every day. I do space them out, and I only take 1 or 2. This is what the capsule looks like. Okay. Like I said, it also comes in an actual root form. You can boil. It comes in a tea, which I think a lot of people take because it's a lot easier to take it that way. But yeah, so dandelion root is a great way to support your skin. It's a great way to support your health. Like with anything, before you're stepping into these herbs and these roots, if you are taking any other type of medications, please talk to your doctor first. Please make sure you do your research on herbs and roots before you are taking them, mixing them with other things. I definitely have to say that because, some roots and herbs don't mix together. Some medicines and roots and herbs don't mix together. Okay, so definitely make sure, if you are not sure, talk to your doctor, do your research on your herbs before you take them. Okay, and with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in our next video.